Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Are you trying to increase the airflow on your BRZ and not sure how? Currently there's no aftermarket intakes on the market, and there's not really any drop-in filters either until today. Boom! Overnight parts from Japan. This is the new HKS Super Air Filter, and this is going to help increase a little bit of airflow in your BRZ and replace your factory filter, so there's no modification needed. All we're going to do is open up the air box and add this in, and it's a lot of Japanese on here that I don't really understand, but it shows a lot of graphs really showing the increase in power. So you are going to get better flow with this. So even though HKS has claimed that this filter has better airflow and reduces some of those restrictions in the stock filter, they are also claiming that this filter will catch more dust and debris than the OEM one. So this is going to be a good upgrade and a cheap option for you. I'm going to show you real quick how to do that. Oh, you thought I was joking when I said overnight parts from Japan? This entire thing is in Japanese. So guys, really simple here. All we have to do is release both of these clips on top of the intake, and we can kind of lift up on this back panel and move it away. And your filter is going to be inside. We can go ahead and pull that out. Obviously ours is brand new, not dirty, but we can go ahead and open up the HKS one. So we're gonna go ahead and get our new filter out. So HKS actually used to use like a sponge style filter, and they had issues with it like breaking off and going into the intake system and some complaints about that. So they've actually, it looks like, switched up their material. Their logo, this side is going to go facing towards the car. So what we're gonna do now is just put this in the same orientation that the stock one came out. So we're gonna move this again, slide this new one into place, put our box back down. Make sure it's in the grooves, because if it's not in the grooves, there will be a crack at the bottom. The bottom of the intake box has to sit in these designated slots so that it doesn't shift around and so it's not sucking in air. So it looks like we have that in the slots. Go ahead and re-latch it back down. Boom, 5 horsepower, baby. So now with that done, just throw away your stock filter and maybe frame this box if you think it's cool, or you can throw it in the trash. But you know, you could cut this up, make like a cool little, you know, it's Japanese, yo. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today's install. I appreciate you checking it out, and we'll see you again in the next video.